हाँ, yeah. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in last uh, lectures, we discuss uh, about the protein structures, its functions, three-dimensional structures, protein folding, protein, uh, and its three-dimensional structures. Uh, and we also discuss about the enzymes, its structure, its activity, and enzyme kinetics, how you will inhibit the enzyme. So now we are going to start a new unit. Uh, in this unit, you have growth factors and hormone.
सर परमिशन दे दीजिए मनु को सर, मनु को एडमिट कर लीजिए सर।
I'm not getting the message of the admit. The waiting room.
उसमें नहीं आ रहा ना
Admit all. Okay.
पार्टी।
Yeah, I have admitted.
यस सर।
Yeah. Okay.
ओके सर।
So in this unit, we will see the hormones and growth factors. So before going to discuss about the hormone and growth factors, it is essential to know about the communication in biology. How biological process communicate each others. So say for example, suppose bacteria, how it moves, who controls the movement of the your organisms, or higher organisms, small organisms, or how cell talk each others. Okay, so all people you know about the communication. What is communication? So the transferring the message, and after transferring the message to respond each other, this is called the communication. So this communication in biology is called the cell signaling. Okay, so cell signaling is a part of any communication process that administer basic activities of cells and coordinate multiple actions. Okay, so it coordinates the actions. There are different actions. All you know about the actions of the cells, uh, and it also the ability of cell to recognize and correctly respond to their micro environment. Like the suppose you are providing the any stimulus. Okay, so the cell has to ability to recognize and correctly respond to their micro environment. So is the basis of the development. So suppose how growth occurs. Okay, cells grow, your plant grow, our human system. So our human body grows. Huh? So you will see it grows with the time. Okay, so uh, the cell signaling and other communications is related to that. Okay, uh, so it's what is the role? It is in development, tissue repairs. It's also repair the tissues so after damaging or defecting, and it also controls or develop our immunities, as well as also it maintain the tissue homeostasis. Already we discussed the what is homeostasis. So all is only possible because of the cell signaling process. Okay. So if any misleading in signaling interactions or cellular information process may cause certain defects. Okay. So in a layman term, you can say defect which cause the certain types of diseases such as cancers, autoimmunity, and diabetes. Okay, etc. Uh, so how the uh, how cell communicate each others, right? So to communicate each others, it needs some mediums. Suppose if you know the signal mechanism, what kind of signals you need. So suppose we are using the mobile phone. So here is the electromagnetic signals, right? So it is same like for the same cell signaling, the cells secrete some small molecules. Okay, and these small molecules mediate through different different way. So this different way is called the signaling pathway or signaling way. Okay, so secreted molecule mediate through three forms of signaling. So namely, it's a paracrine, autocrine, and endocrines. We will discuss next slide what is paracrine, what is autocrines, and what is endocrines. Uh, and cell also secretes hormones. So we will see in the next. So it secretes hormones. So hormones is a hormones or chemical messengers. These stimulates its own growth. Okay, and uh, it's a proliferation, uh, growth and proliferation. So what is the role of hormones? So it stimulates the growth and proliferation. So as example, autocrine agents. Here is the cytokines interleukin 1. It is present in the monocytes. Okay. Uh, so uh, first we will see the autocrines signaling. Okay. So what is the characteristic feature of the autocrine signaling? So as name suggests, auto means automatic itself. Okay. So first we will see the characteristic features, what it does. Okay. So characteristic feature of uh, autocrine signaling is it is responsible in a growth of the tumor cells, many of which is overproduced and release growth factor that stimulate inappropriate and unregulated cell proliferation, as well as influencing adjacent to non-tumor cell. So this process may lead to the formation of a tumor mass. So now you got what does the autocrines means? If autocrine signaling system disturbs, then uh, uh, then secreted molecules, they all cause different kinds of the growth of the tumors. Okay. So now we'll discuss what is autocrines. As I told you, autocrines means autocrines, as name suggests, auto means itself, means it itself secrete the molecules, so it itself transmit and it binds to the receptors. Okay, so if you see here is the target sites. So these are the autocrine molecules. Okay, so extracellular molecules. So in autocrine signalings, the molecules from the same site, it release and it binds to the receptor. So this kind of the process is called the autocrines signaling. Okay, so here target site in a same cell. Okay. So you'll see in autocrines, so autocrines it well works when if the signaling cell, uh, suppose if you have groups of the cells. Okay, so in groups of the cells, uh, it receives more strongly. Okay, so here see, here it's a very weak, but if they have autocrines, means there are group of cells and each others they have uh, they, they release the molecules and it binds to the receptors. Okay, uh, so in autocrines group of cell is important. Okay, now you have a paracrine. Paracrine means para means nears. So the signaling molecules release near to the your cell. So suppose you have a signaling molecules here. So it release to the nearby the cell which is present at the target cells. Okay, so this is called the paracrines. Okay, so for a paracrine signals to deliver to only to their proper targets. Okay, so only it delivers to the proper targets. So target is defined here. Okay, uh, and the secreted signaling molecules must not to be allowed to diffuse too far. Okay, so these are the secreted molecule. It's not allowed to diffuse too far. So suppose cell other cell receptors is too far, then it will not allow to diffuse. Okay, so for that there should be a, not very much far away. It should be the close proximity. Okay, so for this reason they are often rapidly taken up by neighboring target cells. Okay, there is a neighboring target cell. So if you see the neighboring target cell here. Okay, so what it does, so it does it destroy. So you can say it's a disadvantage also. So it destroy the your neighboring target cells, and also uh, it can destroy by the extracellular enzymes. There are a lot of the extracellular extracellular enzymes present. Okay, so it can be destroyed, and you can also immobilized by the extracellular matrix. Okay, you will see signaling molecules released through a secretory cell affect only the adjacent target cell. Okay, so signaling molecule released by a secretory cell affect only the adjacent target cell or in close proximity. Okay, so now you got about the paracrine. Endocrines. So endocrine signaling, the signaling molecules are synthesized and secreted by the endocrine cell. Uh, in a cell, you have endocrine cell. So endocrine cell is called ductless. Okay, so it is transported through the circulatory system or through the tissue fluid of the organism, and finally it act on target cell distance. So it may travel more distance. Okay, or from the site of the synthesis. Okay, so from the site of the synthesis to the target, it is the distance Okay, and endocrine signals are called hormones. Okay, so which molecules participate in endocrine signals? Is a hormone. Okay, so hormones, the target cell have receptors. How it works? Hormones, how it works? The target cell have receptors for binding a specific hormone. Okay. To bind the hormones, there should be a specific receptors or pull and the appropriate hormones from the extracellular fluid. Okay, so, and endocrine hormones, for example, you have insulin, epinephrines. So all you people know the function of the insulin and epinephrines. So these are synthesized and released in the blood stream by a specialized ductless endocrine glands. Okay. Okay. So this is the endocrine system. So you have ductless gland. So the your hormones is synthesized and it release and it travels a long distance. Okay, it travels long distance. Long distance means it is comparatively others your autocrines and paracrine cell signaling system. Okay, and it binds to the specific receptors. Okay, so in endocrine signaling, the signaling molecules are synthesized and secreted by endocrine cells. In a body, you have different types of the endocrine cells, and it transported through the your circulatory system or the tissue fluid of the organism, and finally it act on the target cells distance from their your site of the synthesis. So this is the endocrine system. So endocrine systems, it comes under the hormones. So hormones is a Greek word. So the Greek word is hormone. Okay, so which means excite or to activate. So hormones have many roles in growth, controls, regulate. So hormone is present in both systems as well as animal system as well as plant system. Okay, so it has many functions to control our biological systems. Okay, so hormones are basically it's a chemical signaling molecules. Okay, so it is uh, uh, it is consist of or it comprises from the endocrine system. Okay, so endocrine system consists of the uh, a specific gland. So this is called a specialized gland. So these glands known as the endocrine glands. Okay, so it stimulates and it secretes the powerful chemical and it travels to the blood stream. So it's called hormones. So hormones have a specific target cells, okay, and located somewhere else in the body, and it acts somewhere else in the your body, site of action. Okay, so hormones is like a chemical messenger. Okay, so chemical messenger, means it 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 uh, transport the message. It uh, transport the message and to send the message through the chemical reactions and which secreted through one or more cell, and that can affect other parts of the organisms. Okay, so it is not necessary it will secrete only one cell. It can secrete from different cells also. Okay, already we discussed, it is basically chemical molecule and transport signal from one cell to another. Okay, so most of the hormones initiate the cellular response by initially combining with either or a specific intracellular or cell membrane associated receptor proteins. Okay, and cell may have several different receptors. Okay, uh, so in a biological systems, receptors means which receives. Okay, it binds to the receptors. Some it binds to the receptors and it proceeds for the function. Okay, and it recognizes the systems also. So different receptors that recognize the same hormones and activate different signal transduction pathways. Okay, what does it mean? It means the different receptors that there are means same hormones. It recognize the different receptors. Okay, and it activate different signal transduction pathway. Okay, otherwise different hormones and their receptor may invoke the same biochemical pathway. Okay, so say for example, insulin is a hormone. It consists of the beta cell in the pancreas. Okay, it releases into the blood, and insulin help to regulate the cell of the body use glucose for the energy. Okay, so already we discussed cell have a different receptors and it recognize the same hormone and it activate different signal transduction. Okay, so today we'll stop here. It's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we will continue the hormones and then we'll start the growth factors. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Shall I
Thank you,
stop?
sir.
Sir, 100% attendance.
Okay, thank you very much. So Muzammil,
Thank you, sir.
what you can
Yes,
do,
sir.
please give the name of the all the participant to my email. Okay, through my email, because
Okay,
it is
sir.
very difficult to write the all the name from the mobiles in the data sheet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyway,
Almost 100% attendance.
Yeah. Anyway, I am keeping your screenshot. So you also send the screenshot. So this will be the full proof. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Acha,
Thank you, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Take a screenshot, sir. Anyone take a screenshot? कोई भी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना, मुझे भेज देना काइंडली, क्योंकि मैं लैपटॉप पे देख रहा हूँ अपने.
किस चीज का स्क्रीनशॉट? पार्टिसिपेशन का?
मनु, हाँ, पार्टिसिपेंट का संतोष जी व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा ग्रुप में, so that I can mail the sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
सर आपके पार्ट से ही एंड होगा मीटिंग.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhi.
Naam, sir. धन्यवाद, sir.
प्रीति.